Good morning, this is Aaron with Key Builders, Key Real Estate Group. We just finished up this modified Craftsman 4. It's a little over 2,600 square feet. It's got a lot of beautiful finishes in it. So we want to give you a walkthrough today so you can see it before we hand the keys over. Y'all come on inside and we'll check it out. So here we have some ventless gas logs with a shiplap finish. You've got built-ins on both sides, a leather granite hearth. All comes together very nice, blends with the theme of the house, so it's super nice. So here in the kitchen, we've done a really big island. You've got a lot of space for bar stools. You also have the leather granite countertops that also ties in with the hearth on the shiplap fireplace. They've switched to quartz for the main kitchen countertops. You also have a built-in fridge and freezer, along with a walk-in pantry. It's got butcher block countertops, overhead cabinetry with also some floating shelves. So we're standing in the primary bedroom. Over here you'll have the primary bath. You'll see black shiplap accents, quartz countertops, also a full tile cave style shower. So we're standing here in a 24 by 36 3-car garage. We have our tankless water heater over here. Through the side entrance, you'll have your laundry. Here on the left, we've done an accent wall, built-ins over the washer and dryer, some railroad tie coat hangers. So we're here in the finished bonus room. Behind me you can see we've dormered this out. So not only does this get rid of some of the clipped ceilings that you see in a lot of bonus rooms, it also adds some square footage. So that's a wrap on our modified Craftsman 4. If you're looking to build, make sure to give me a call, 704-456-2204.